And one of my teachers would say, if karma, and karma would be your lessons, if karma is anywhere, if what is for you to do is anywhere, it's in your body. And by bringing your attention into your body, you then can do your work. But if you're out here, how can you do your work? Karma's in your body. Okay. So, sound good? So we're just going to raise your frequency. And the goal here is to raise your frequency and keep you stable at the same time. As opposed to, okay, this works. It's not like I have superpowers. So all I'm using is my attention. She has signed up to follow my attention. I'm paying attention to something. She follows me. Boom, she goes where I'm paying attention to. Does that make sense? It's not like I have gifts. I just have well-developed attention. If I can do this, you can too. All of this is learned. So now you're going to say,
I,
Lola, call forward the highest aspect of my higher self that's available to me at present.
That is available to me at present.
Okay, great. There's clear. Good. I ask that you put your hands on my shoulder.
Put your hands on my shoulder.
There you go. You'll feel the pressure. There we go. Got that?
Feels like the pressure's on my back.
So now we're going to ask her to sit inside of you like a chair. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I ask
that you, higher self,
sit in front of me. Sit in me.
Sit in me.
There you go. She'll literally come down and say, there you go. Oh. Good. How's that?
It's like, it's even my cheeks are relaxing now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. The face is relaxing. Mm-hmm.
Good. There you go. There you go. Notice with your higher self inside of you, it doesn't feel like, ugh, it feels calm, sedate. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You stay there. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, separate your arms. Good. I. Say your full name, first, middle, and last. Call forward the highest aspect of my higher soul to come forward now. There you go. I ask that you, higher self, position yourself behind me and put weight on my shoulders. So I know you're here. There you go. And now tip back, my friends, and feel that you have support. See if there's something behind you. Got that? I ask that you, higher self, sit in me. Now. And it will literally come around and sit inside you. There you go. I ask that you, higher self, raise my frequency. A bit. Now.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I'll be polite. Good. How are you?
I'm about to break out in laughter.
Yeah, break
That's
out
a high
laughter.
frequency.
Yeah, I was just really trying to hold it back.
Why are you trying to hold it back?
Because it was so quiet. But now I can laugh. Okay, that was good.
Let go!
I haven't laughed for a while, so I need it. Oh, yes, thank you.
So it made you laugh.
Yes, yes. Thank you, yes. Thank you for everybody here, too. Thank you.
Good. Any questions about that? Nice experience?
Yeah.
Raise your hand. Nice experience. Second.